Welcome to MasterChef, not quite MasterChef. This is quick and simple, easy food prep. But one of the issues that my clients face is that they're very busy. I'm very busy. I run 2 businesses and I have my son and my family. So I don't have time to be cooking 5 or 6 meals a day from scratch. I don't have time for exotic ingredients and doing lots and lots of meal prep. I want to enjoy my time with my family and run my business. So today I'm going to show you how I prep around about 5 meals of a decent, tasty meal. It's not bland, it's not one of these chicken and rice type things, although there is rice in this meal. We're going to cook a chili from scratch using pre-prepared ingredients. And I'm going to show you how to reduce down the prep time as we do this. And we're going to time it to see how long it takes. So I've got my stopwatch, so we're going to start and we'll see how long it actually takes to make 5 meals up. When the steak's browned, what we do to get that little bit of fat off, I just got a little drainer here and I put the meat into there and the fat drains off at the bottom. And while that's draining off, then we get our peppers and onions, kidney beans, and we cook those while the steak mince is draining. So you can see there and what's come out of it, and that's all fat. Steak mince back into the pan, and you see it's all nice and, I wouldn't say dry is the wrong word, but it's not laden with fat. So the important thing is that because we measured the food beforehand, we don't measure it when we divvy it up into our meals here, because if we did do that, we would spend ages. So all we have to do is we've got 6, because we've got 5 containers, 1 plate for a meal, so we just divide it by eye over 6, because calories are average over the week, doesn't matter what one day, it's average over the week. So as long as we're eating all this within a certain time period, we know it's going to be okay. When I've worked this out, it's about 700 calories per meal. That's because there's 100 grams of rice in each meal, and I've got about 80-ish grams of steak mince in each meal, but then you've got some kidney beans, adding some extra calories. So it's about 700 calories. I do have a calculation for the exact amount, but I know it's between 700 to 800 calories. The important thing is this is a meal for me. So if you're making up your own meals, you need to obviously prepare enough which is going to suit your calories and divide it up. So it might be that you need 8 meals containers or whatever, but you divide it up as to what you need. So it's about 30 minutes this took us. Obviously we were filming, so it's taking a little bit longer with prep and stuff, but 30 minutes and I've got 6 meals there, and that's me done for the next 2 or 3 days. These things, they take ages to get off. Fuck. That is fucking embarrassing.